My name is Dr. Kevin Cronin, and I'm an orthopedic shoulder and elbow surgeon at Florida Orthopaedic Institute. So I grew up in Fort Lauderdale. That's where I met my wife in high school. And then I went on to the University of Florida, where I did my undergraduate training. I then moved to Tampa at the University of South Florida to do both my master's degree in molecular medicine as well as my medical degree. After graduating medical school, I went up to the University of Kentucky in Lexington and continued my orthopedic surgery training. And I ultimately ended up in Philadelphia at the Rothman Institute, where I did specialized training in 1 year for shoulder and elbow surgery. So I specialize in all conditions of the shoulder and elbow, including fractures, sports injuries, rotator cuff tears, instability, and arthritis. I use both non-operative and operative treatment options for patients to get them back to their peak performance. I have a special training in minimally invasive techniques for shoulder arthritis. So the most enjoyable part of my job is the relationships that I get to build with patients. As surgeons, people come to our office when they're at their worst. Maybe they broke a bone or their shoulder is not letting them do the work that they want to do or play with their grandchildren. So over time, we're able to develop a treatment plan for them, and I see them back in the office and they're happy back to doing the things that they want to do. So every day is different. You never know who's going to walk into the office and who you're going to meet that day. So my wife and I always knew that we wanted to come back to Tampa after I finished my medical training, and I wanted to join the best group in the area. And Florida Orthopaedic Institute certainly stood head and shoulders above everybody else. Our commitment to our patient-first mentality, our excellent research, it really drives the core of what we do. We're a leader not only regionally, but nationally as well. We are one of the few groups that are able to mix a strong research background, excellent patient care, and training the future leaders of orthopedic surgery in our residency and fellowship programs.